All right. Welcome back. In this problem, we are going to find the area of the blue triangle. The triangle here has a length of 10 going up here. It's a right triangle. 10 from this point to that point there. We want to try to find the area of the blue triangle. If you want to solve this on your own, pause this video because I'm going to solve this for you in just a few seconds. If you want to send this to a friend who you think would find it interesting, that would be great. Okay, let's go. All right, the first thing I try to do when I have geometry problems like this is I usually try to look for similar triangles or congruent triangles. So I'm going to take a look at this triangle right here. Okay? We know that this is a right triangle. That's 90, that has to be 90. So in this triangle here, if we wanted to find the area of this, most people would consider this to be the base and would consider this to be the height. However, since this is a right triangle, okay, and they are the two legs, they are basically interchangeable. If we looked at this the other way, if I took this thing and I spun it around, put this side on the bottom here, most people would call that the base, and then they would take this and they would call that the height. Okay, so these are basically interchangeable. So I'm going to make this the base and this one here the height. And now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to connect this point to this point up here. I'm going to do that in purple. And what I have is another triangle here. This purple triangle goes all the way down here. Okay, and on that purple triangle, this side here would be considered the base, and this line going from the base to this point up here would be the height. So if I took that triangle and put it like this, this side on the bottom would be the base, this distance between this point here and the base would be the height. So it's the same base as the red triangle, same height as the red triangle. So if you have the same base as each triangle and the same height as each triangle, then this purple triangle and this red triangle are congruent to each other. Okay, so if I find the area of this purple triangle, okay, it's equivalent to finding the area of the red triangle. And the red triangle plus the blue triangle is the area we're trying to find. The purple triangle plus the blue triangle is the area we're trying to find. So we're going to do area equals 1/2 base times height. And we're looking for this big triangle here. And the base of that big triangle there, we'll call it triangle ABC. The base of triangle ABC is BC, which is 10. And the height of triangle ABC is this line coming down from A, perpendicular to the line that contains this base, so that's also 10. So the area for the blue triangle is going to be 50 units squared. I think that's a super cool problem. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more like it, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next video.